On this episode, we're making sangria in the tap room. Welcome to Pondaseta O.G.
My name's Kaleb, and this is Trever. We're the founders and owners here at the brewery. Today, we're gonna do something a little more traditional.
And don't forget, we're still giving away sticker packs. Stay tuned to find out how you can get yours.
And if you can't wait for a sticker pack, log on to Pondaseta.com or click the link below and grab one of our awesome insulated tumblers.
So Kaleb's gonna show us how to make our OG sangria recipe.
Yeah, it's probably one of the more traditional things we do here. You know, sometimes we get a little wild with our sangrias, and sometimes we use the term sangria a little loosely, but this is traditional.
I mean, yeah, we've made some pretty crazy ones, added gummy bears, gummy worms, blue, green, you name it. It's pretty crazy.
And I mean, not to mention, you just showed us how to make a June sangria not too long ago.
And if I'll say so myself, I thought it was the best one we've ever made.
Coming off of your success with Spice Eyes, I thought I should teach you how to make the OG, and maybe you can mix it up next time.
All right, let's do it.
Will you grab us our pitcher?
All right.
I've already opened a bottle of Tempranillo. Let it breathe just a little bit. It's not crucial for a sangria recipe, on the other hand. Just helps let it open up a little bit. All right,
So we're gonna add that first.
let's do it. Dump us our sangria. This
Do I
is,
need to tilt
our,
like a beer?
not quite as crucial here.
Okay.
In fact, a little oxidation in this process won't hurt us at all.
Okay, sweet.
This is one bottle of Spanish Tempranillo. Again, relatively inexpensive bottle.
Cool.
Okay.
What's next?
Next up, grab the Brut.
Okay.
We're gonna do a blend of wines here. So we're gonna use Spanish Tempranillo and then a little bit of Brut wine, which is a sparkling wine. Sometimes it's used as generic champagne. This helps just cut back on some of those tannins and gives us a little bit more of a mellow base. Also, a little bit of carbonation doesn't hurt us.
Okay, so it is carbonated. Do I just need to dump it or tilt? How do you think on this one?
No, I think I go a little slower, more like you're used to pouring with a beer.
Okay.
And we're gonna do about half a bottle of this. So
Okay.
that's about 12 ounces.
Okay.
And while I'd absolutely recommend measuring at home, Trevor's a good eyeballer.
Look at that.
Perfect.
It's pretty close, right?
Yeah, definitely. Okay, so we've already said this, but sangria includes a lot of other fruit juices to help spread this out, add all the flavors.
Okay.
We're gonna start with 4 ounces of fresh orange juice.
All right.
And then I'm gonna measure out 1 ounce lemon juice and half an ounce lime juice.
Very precise.
You know what? Balance is important. We gotta be accurate.
All right.
Most of these ingredients you can pick up at your local grocery store. That being said, here at the brewery, we like to use amaretti for some of our flavorings that just dials up the intensity a little bit. First thing we're gonna add is 1 tablespoon of white peach natural flavor. You notice this is pretty syrupy and thick, so just a little patience. Trevor, will you grab me the blood orange flavor?
Sure. All right, got some right here.
Go equal parts here. We already added orange juice, but if you'll add 1 tablespoon of blood orange natural flavor.
Smells great.
Yeah, it's awesome. It adds a little depth and complexity that you don't get just from straight orange juice, but we're not quite finished here.
Okay.
All right. Last thing we're gonna add for the base recipe here is 2 ounces of simple syrup. There's several ways you can accomplish the same thing. Obviously, simple syrup is something we use here at the brewery quite a bit for our beer cocktails and some of our other recipes we do.
You can buy this at the store, right?
Oh, absolutely. But just a super simple 1 cup boiling water, 1 cup sugar, dissolve it, cool it back down, you're ready to go. If you wanted to use just sugar, it's totally an option, but it's a lot harder to dissolve granulated white sugar
In a cold beverage.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You wanna give us a stir?
Okay.
We're just gonna do real gentle here because there is a little bit of carbonation from that sparkling Brut we used.
Right.
And one thing that we kind of do that's a little different here at the brewery, we actually package this sangria just for in-house use only in a keg, and we add a little carbonation to it. I find it to brighten the flavors just a little bit. It makes it really easy for us in service. We serve sangria so fast. This approximates a traditional Spanish sangria. However, we're missing something.
Fruit?
Yes.
All right.
I think probably one of the most obvious things for sangria is fresh fruit. If you can garnish and add this, it adds a ton of complexity. I'm gonna throw a couple of orange slices just right in the pitcher. Move on to some limes.
Lastly, we need some lemon.
What's next?
Let's drink.
Oh, you have to tell me twice.
I thought you'd be into that. All right, I got a couple of prepped stemless wine glasses here.
Okay.
Again, like we've said before, the glassware choice isn't crucial on this. A traditional wine glass would be totally fine.
Sure.
You know what, if you've got a pint glass, I might not serve it by the 16-ounce serving size, but definitely can use that too. All right, can you grab us the ice?
You got it.
Typically, sangria is served over ice. If you don't like ice, you can obviously skip this. However, the melting ice just adds a little bit of change and life to the sangria.
Okay.
So, typically here at Brewery, we serve 8-ounce servings. The stemless wine glass is a little bigger than that, but I made a mess. You want to try this one?
Sure, I got that one.
All right, now, I noticed you jumped right in here, but before we do that,
Okay.
before I do that anyway,
Okay.
I'm gonna grab just a little lime peel from mine, give it a little twist, and drop it right on top. Something attractive there. And got another orange here. Give you a little strip.
I like
fresh
the orange.
Again, same thing. Give a little twist, kind of free up some of those oils. Drop it right on top. You can add multiple slices. You can even do sliced fresh fruit, lime wedge, whatever you're feeling, but
Okay.
give that a taste.
All right. Appreciate it.
Yeah, I don't know if you noticed that fresh orange peel,
yeah.
fresh lime peel comes
Right off the
through
bat.
right away.
All right. I'm definitely picking up the fruit right off the bat.
Totally. What else are you tasting?
You know, you get the wine, but it's not like drinking the fresh bottle of wine, you know, out of a
Oh,
glass.
absolutely. Yeah, it's a little less intense, a little less overwhelming. If you're not a big wine drinker, a lot of times people find they really enjoy sangria.
Right.
Also, I think it's a great time to mention, if you're tasting a lot of wine right now and you're just overwhelmed by that after you've given your first couple of sips there, a little added simple syrup or increasing your natural flavor ingredients there can actually help soften that a little bit.
You know, I will say, even though there are quite a few sweet ingredients, it's not like overwhelming, shock your palate with sweetness.
Totally.
All right, so your recipe's pretty good, but I have a challenge for you. I got some wine from the local store, some real sangria, and I want to see what your thoughts are on this bottle you can buy pretty much everywhere.
All right, well, let's give it a shot. Let's compare it.
All right.
Do you want me to put together a couple of garnishes? Should we go all the way?
Let's do it. We gotta have a very close comparison, right?
Right. Only thing.
All right.
Well, color-wise, they're similarly dark, but ours has a little texture
Color and
appearance.
clarity are a little different.
Okay, so I don't notice as much fruit off the bat, even with
Yeah.
our garnish.
I mean, honestly, the flavor just doesn't have that punch, you know, like
No.
ours does.
I mean, it's a decent tasting beverage, but a little sweet,
Yeah.
lacking in fruit. I think if you doctored it up with some fresh fruit, what if we added a little brandy?
All right.
About half an ounce.
Still get the garnish, but oh yeah, I mean,
Adds a
that
little
just
depth.
elevates it for sure.
Ours has a little more acidity to it.
That's true.
A little less sweet.
Yep.
They're similar though.
Yeah. I think ours is this one on fruit steroids, I would say.
Absolutely. All right, so they're both pretty good.
Yeah.
But we had to doctor up the store-bought one
That's
to
true.
make it better, or to even get there.
Do you think that any of our staff could tell which one was ours?
Yeah, I hope so, but I mean, what do you think?
I don't know. Why don't we go take it to them and find out?
All right, let's check in.
Let's go.
Hello and welcome back to the tap room. Today we're interviewing Presley, our bartender. First of all, Presley, are you a subscriber of Pondaseta Road?
Yes.
Absolutely great. Caleb, could you give our interviewee the samples, please?
All right, we've got sample 1 with the lemon peel and sample 2 with the lime peel.
Do you think you can tell us which one is the Pondaseta O.G. Sangria?
I think it's this one. I hope it's this one.
Caleb, could you reveal to us which one is the Pondaseta O.G. Sangria?
Sample number 1 is Pondaseta's O.G. She was correct.
Excellent job, Presley. On to the next unsuspecting victim.
Does your cooler need more stickers? Of course it does.
Like, subscribe, and comment on this video, and you'll get a free sticker pack from us.
Wow, that's amazing. Back to more beers.
Up next is our VP of Entertainment and Marketing, Nick. Hello, Nick. How are you today?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Doing well, thank you for asking. All right, Kaleb, could you please give Nick our samples?
All right, we've got sample number 1 with a lemon peel, sample number 2 with a lime peel.
Excellent. Nick, could you please identify which one is the Pondaseta O.G. Sangria?
I'm gonna have to go with the one I drank and liked the most, number 2.
Sample number 2, Kaleb, could you please give us the reveal?
I hate to inform you, but you are incorrect, sir.
Thank you, Nick, and have a nice day. Let's go find someone else. Hello, and now we're here with Christian, head of outside sales. Christian, are you ready to sample some sangria?
Oh, am I?
All right, Kaleb, could you please give him our samples?
All right, we've got sample number 1 with a lemon peel and sample number 2 with a lime peel.
Christian, could you please sample each of these glasses and tell us which one is your favorite? Go ahead. Could you please tell us which one you believe to be Sangria OG of Pondaseta?
I believe it's this one.
Kaleb, give us the reveal.
Sir, you are incorrect.
Oh, that's unfortunate. Well, thank you, Christian. On to the next person. And welcome back. We're here with Brett, assistant to the regional brewer. How are you doing today, Brett?
Doing fantastic, thank you very much.
Glad to hear it. And for 10,000 bonus points, are you a subscriber to Pondaseta Road?
I cannot confirm nor deny that.
All right, well, moving right along. Are you ready to sample some sangria today, Brett?
I'm ready for it, let's get it.
Kaleb, please present the samples.
Sample number 1 with a lemon peel and sample number 2 with a lime peel.
All right, now could you please try to tell us which one is the Pondaseta O.G. Sangria? Thinking.
I'm gonna say this one's a Pondaseta Sangria.
Kaleb, the reveal, please.
I hate to inform you, you're incorrect.
I'm sorry, Brett, you have now been demoted to the assistant to the regional brewer. Have a nice day. On to the next person. And now we're here with Kayla, president of Cellar and Packaging. Hello, Kayla, how are you today?
Doing great. How are you doing?
I'm doing super. Would you like to sample some sangria today?
Let's do it.
I've got sample number 1 with a lemon peel and sample number 2 with a lime peel.
They are both pretty good.
I think I like that one.
She likes that one. Okay, could you please try to tell us which one is Pondaseta's OG Sangria?
Double check.
She's double checking.
I think it's that one.
Okay, Kaleb, how about the reveal?
Congratulations.
Oh, excellent job, Kayla. Well, that is very amazing. She says suck it, Brett. Have a nice day, Kayla.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you for being here. And now back to Kaleb and Trever.
In conclusion, it looks like we're gonna have some positions opening up.
Well, I hope you guys were able to follow along at home and make some sangria with us, and that you made some Pondaseta O.G.
Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and comment below what you think our next crazy sangria recipe should be.
Well, we'll check you guys next time.
Cheers.